cause of littering is the lack of discipline and responsibility among individuals. Some people throw waste anywhere because they think one piece of trash does not matter. Others rely on cleaners or government workers to solve the problem instead of doing their part.
However, the effects of improper waste disposal are experienced by everyone. Garbage blocks drainage system which causes flooding during heavy rains. It pollutes rivers and streets, creates foul odors, and harms both people and animals. This issue also affects public health. Dirty surroundings can attract pests such as mosquitoes and rats that create diseases. In the long run, environmental damage becomes harder and harder to repair.
From an ethical perspective, improper waste disposal violates several important principles. So what are they? First is responsibility. Every person has the duty to manage their own waste properly. Keeping the environment clean should not only depend on the government, workers, but on every member of the community. Second is respect for persons and the community. Throwing garbage carelessly shows disrespect to other people who share the same environment. Everyone deserves to live in a clean and healthy community.
Lastly is justice and the common good. When a few people litter irresponsibly, the entire community suffers from pollution and flooding. Ethical behavior means thinking not only about personal convenience but also about the welfare of others.
A clean environment begins with responsible choices. Ethically, we all have the duty to care for our surroundings because our actions today affect the lives of others and the future generation. By practicing proper waste disposal and protecting nature, we show respect for our community, our planet, and the gift of life God has given us. Small actions can create a cleaner environment, a healthier life, and a better future for everyone.